Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Godaddy email on Outlook. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before you continue, so all menu options are visible and ready to use. If Outlook opens directly to your inbox, that is perfectly fine. You are in the right place. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This area contains the main account and program settings, including the tools you need to connect a new email account. After selecting File, you should see the account information page appear. From there, find the Add Account option near the top of the Account Settings section and click it. This opens the setup window where Outlook will begin the process of connecting your email. In most cases, Outlook is designed to make this setup as simple as possible, so you usually will not need to enter advanced server details manually unless prompted. Next, enter your Godaddy email account in the field provided. Be sure to type the email address carefully to avoid errors later in the setup. If Outlook asks for additional sign-in details, continue entering the requested information exactly as it appears for your email account. Take your time during this part, since even small typing mistakes can prevent the account from connecting properly. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to add your account. Outlook may guide you through a few confirmation screens, and depending on your email configuration, it may ask you to verify your credentials or approve the connection. Simply continue through each prompt until the setup is complete. If Outlook displays a success message, that means your Godaddy email account has been added successfully. At this stage, Outlook may begin syncing your mail automatically. Give it a moment to load your inbox, folders, and recent messages. If you do not see everything right away, that is normal. Initial syncing can take a little time, especially if the mailbox contains a large number of emails. If you run into any issues during setup, double-check the email address you entered and carefully review each on-screen prompt before trying again. In many cases, restarting Outlook after setup can also help refresh the connection. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of setting up your Godaddy email on Outlook. Once the account is connected, you can send and receive messages directly from Outlook and manage your email more conveniently in one place.